I can't be cute or telling jokes. I have work to do. Oh, I try not to wear makeup. I think I wore this bottle out through Pete, covering up this face. Oh, my skin hurts so bad. I'm ready to not have to cake this stuff on my face. It's Thursday, New Year's week. Called back a few PVDs. They're light on volume, so I'm lucky enough to keep working a few more days this week. Big packages first. Don't they know I'm in a hurry? Walking. On Christmas, I've been driving up to this house with a big, huge Santa Claus, and somehow I just drove past their house. They took their their snowman down, so I had to make a turn and come back. Whoops. The rainbow is beautiful. I hope it doesn't rain today. It's Friday. I don't know, it should be my last day working, maybe next week. All I know, today there's a rainbow, and I do not want to be rained on. I wonder what made me choose Grand Sierra for Christmas. I've only driven past it every day on the way to work. I think I was brainwashed. It's Friday and I've been really busy. I'm like one of the last PVDs in this area. They're like over 100 something packages. It's 30 something. I'm 30 packages out and I gotta get going. I can't be cute or telling jokes. I have work to do. Rainbow is huge. I thought it wasn't gonna rain. Oh, I'm being rained on slightly.
I lied. I'm never too busy to be cute.
This was that area of the road I told you where they put logs in the road so you can go on the road, but I had a four-wheel through the dirt and mud in the dark.
It's not very glamorous, but I do have to use the restroom. I'm a human, and there's none where I work, so I have to provide my own. Luckily, I can't. It's not glamorous. I'm not bragging and thinking that this is awesome, but you gotta take care of it, you gotta take care of it. I don't even drink water all day, but I still have to use this little bucket. Merry Christmas! PVD Moxy. Got here early, no one's here. And there's my buddy, PVDJ, driving right up. Driver should be showing up too, just in time.
It's Thursday. The last 2 days I've not been working. The roads were just too bad for my little van. Today I decided to work. I shouldn't have, because my little car cannot make it up this disaster. Now if I had a Jeep, I could be a cool PVD, like another PVD in our area. I wish I had a Jeep today. Van can hold packages. It does not like slippery roads. At least it's slushy and not icy. I still just don't have any traction. Just got done with work. Just a few packages. The roads were just too horrible for my car. I really wanted to work some more. They have more work for me, but the weather has other plans. But today's tip for next year, for everybody, those horrible vests they give you, the Velcro, sticking to my hair. So I took that vest and I sewed it
onto another shirt. I modified my vest. It makes my job so much better because no one likes that Velcro sticking in their hair, and that thing hangs off you like a sack of potatoes. Earlier in the season, I did some damage to the front of the car. I pulled off here, and then it got deeper in my car, and I kind of scratched the front bumper. This van's been taking a beating this season. Poor thing. Oh my gosh, this job must be really hard. He is very sleepy.